Westermans here. Here we have an E500S Lincoln with a Perkins D4 engine. Auxiliary is 110 volts. You'll probably find there's 220 volts or 240 volts inside. Ours on the machine looks to be 2718. Good old Perkins engine and stator. Also has the cage around it for on site. Not the sort of machine you'd actually have in the back of your van, as the weight alone is 1,370 kilos. This machine will be serviced to order and can be shipped worldwide. As you can see, very tidy machine for its age. Possibly machine is obviously in the 70s or early 80s, but a good welder for pipelines. Has the overhead and vertical settings. Normal welding, obviously 500 amps. A good all-round welder. More details can be seen on westermans.com. Other welding machines and diesel welders like Vantage, Air Advantage, Miller 400s. Stock's always changing, so please keep looking on the website. I'll just turn it on. A bit of heat. Not too noisy for an old diesel welder. Also comes with a remote.